Hello everyone, welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. So some of you I know saw that I went to Hobby Lobby for this clearance sale that was 75% off or better. So I went to one location, which was in Virginia Beach. This time I went to the Chesapeake location, and this is all I got. Y'all see this? Look at this bag. So I'm going to show you what I got. Wasn't much in there, but this Patone's Croy sock yarn, they had this, and this is usually $8.99. It was marked down to $2.24, and they only had 3 of this colorway, so I got 3 of these for $2.24 a piece. This is a super fine, and it has the nice dark blue color running throughout, a light blue color. It has green, yellow, teal. I love that yellow, and kind of a rusty yellow color running throughout there. So it's very pretty, and I said, why not? I can work something up, or I could gift this or do a giveaway and include this. Oh, let me tell you the yardage. So it is called 50s Stripes, and the colorway is called, oh, that is colorway, 50 Stripes. Oh, the yardage. That's what I was thinking. Okay. My mind is going a mile a minute. Where is the yardage? So right here, I hope you all can see that very clearly. It's 1.75 ounces. It's 150 grams. That's 166 yards. It looks blurry, so I do apologize for that. But it is 75% wool and 25% nylon. And this is the week where all of the yarn is 30% off. So I had to get this. Oh, isn't this pretty, y'all? This is very nice. When I saw this, I said, oh my gosh, I have to get this sugar wheel. This sugar wheel is $7.99. So I got 30% off, and it is beautiful. Starting from the outside of this one is a nice canary yellow. It goes into a nice, rich, dark, deep purple. And the next color is sort of a fuchsia red color. And it goes kind of fuchsia into red. There's an orange, and it goes into a deep orange, light orange, and a mix of an orange yellow. And right here is canary yellow on the inside for this one. And you see that little pop of purple down deep in the center. Anyway, these are lovely. I would have got more, but they only had 2. So this is 7 ounces, and it's 199 grams. This is called Candied Orange. This sugar wheel by YarnBarf. Candied Orange. And it's 355 yards, which is 325 meters. Oh, it's 100% acrylic, and it is a medium weight 4. So the recommended hook size, you would use a 5.5 millimeter hook. Knitting needles, you would use for the US a size 8, or for UK a 6. So this is all that I got from the second location for Hobby Lobby. And this was $18, and I want to say 24 cents is what I purchased, what I got total for this yarn. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And remember to always live each day as if it were your last. I'll see y'all next time.